Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Gastitan MA Cross RSI Parabolic SAR.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Gastitan MA Cross RSI Parabolic SAR indicator. Before we do, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 834 indicators, with 340 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 41 of the winning indicators. 12 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Gastitan MA Cross RSI Parabolic SAR indicator, and you can see it here on screen. I did make a slight modification to this, very similar to what I did in the original video. In the original video, this was able to achieve over the 10 trades within the 1 year's time, and so we kept it on the daily time frame and kept the normal stop and take profit. As far as the modification to it, I turned off the EMA line here. I changed this parabolic SAR to black, and I bumped up the line weight of it just a little bit so that way it stands out a tad bit more, which gives us what we're looking at here. And in the original video, what we did was we looked for a confluence of all the indicators lining up together. And so what we would do is we would look for first and foremost let me zoom in here and make it a little bit easier to see so these aren't so crunched together. So what we would look for first and foremost is a RSI bull and a MA buy signal, or a MA sell and a RSI bear signal, like this here. And when we would get these two lined up on the same candle, we would then look for the position of the parabolic SAR. And so in this case, the parabolic SAR is above price action, and so we are looking for short trade opportunities. And so in this case, we would look for the MA sell and the RSI bear, and that would all line up together where we would have all three of the indicators on the same candle, giving us the same signal to go in a particular direction. And so in this case, you can see that we would have entered here on a sell signal, or I guess the close of this, the open of this one. This is the signal candle. Some people get a little confused by that. And then we get a pretty decent little push to the downside here, about 220 pips. And that would have gotten us to our take profit. On the opposite side here, again, the parabolic SAR being below price action here, we are looking for long trade signals, and therefore we are looking for when we get the RSI bull and the MA buy on the same candle, with that parabolic SAR being in the bullish position as well. And so our entry would have been here on, or our signal candle would have been here. Our entry would have been on the open of that candle right there. We got a little bit of a push to the downside here. Let's see, there we go. A little bit of a push to the downside there, but it wasn't enough to come down and stop us out before we get this really nice push to the upside there on this very large candle. And that would have also gotten us to our take profit. And so that's how, again, we tested it in the original video, and that's how we tested it here on this one. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and then we will pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced testing. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in that testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, Sasquatch is an awesome Forex prop trader. He's one of our members. He's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he is doing analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even channels that he is looking at, paying attention to, possibly looking to take trades off of. Then we have some of our other members here that are also posting some charts, some setups that they are looking at or have taken, some trades that they have gotten into, mostly profitable ones where they are kind of showing exactly where they had entered and what they were looking at the time. We also have, let's see if I can find a post here, our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading. He's doing an awesome job of helping everybody out, posting some really great information. Can't find one of his posts right offhand. And so Mike has developed quite a few indicators. They are indicators that he has developed himself. Some are paid and some are free, but all of them are really awesome indicators. Here's an example of a video that he posted to the channel explaining how to use some of his indicators and exactly the strategy that he uses that is a profitable strategy. And he's posted quite a few things like this, helping everybody out, giving everybody advice and walking them through his indicators. All in all, it's just a great community. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's really pushing everybody to get better and grow as traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. Go ahead and get this scroll back here and scrunched in. All right, there we go. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of the 50 trades, we've got 26 winning trades. We got 24 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 52% win rate. I thought this one might drop a little low. I think in the original testing, it only did just barely over that 60% criteria. And so generally, over a long enough period of time, you're going to lose a little bit of that win rate from the original video that we did. And so in this case, it did drop a decent little amount. All in all, I think it's a good concept. It has the ability, again, to offer kind of a confluence of multiple indicators all together. Some very popular indicators, moving average RSI and parabolic SAR are some very popular indicators. And so understanding when they are all kind of aligning together to go in a particular direction can be extremely useful. And I like that it's all in one. That makes it very handy to have it all combined without multiple indicators all taking up the indicator room that you're allowed by trading view on a chart. And so I think it's interesting in that aspect. I think that it might have been a little too restrained, looking for example, the sell and sell signal all on the same candle. It's possible that if the criteria were relaxed a little bit, and say that we looked for all of these signals to happen kind of consecutively, but not necessarily on a one particular candle, that maybe we could get a better win rate out of it. Not really sure. I haven't tried it, but it's worth a shot to even, you know, play around with it. So all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.